Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We're back, part 7 of the RE4 remake playthrough. In the last chapter, this game definitely turned more from a survival horror to a third-person shooter, which I'm not sure how I feel about. I quite enjoyed the survival horror aspect. But we did also find out that whatever it was that Leon was injected with is curable. So we'll see what this chapter brings. Ashley discovers that she's also infected with a parasite known as the Plaga, but not all is lost as Louis offers some hope. With no choice, Leon comforts her as they continue on.
Hey,
Ooh, yes.
I do. The kind you like. Now where's the amber?
Fortunately, it's not on me at the moment. And you really should be telling me what a good job I did. Busted my ass and managed to hide it right before I got caught.
What's he hidden?
Which is why I'm still alive.
The deal was, we get you out of here when you deliver the amber. No amber, no
What's the
protection,
amber?
please.
Such a stickler for details.
Oh, it's Ada.
Okay then.
I see, I didn't make that connection.
Now, how about that?
Not at all. I can't remember if she was in the second or third, but she's definitely been in one of the games recently. If you know which was from number 2 or number 3, drop it in the comments down below. I'd be interested to be reminded. This is Roost. I've got some bad news, Condor 1. With the weather like it is, the chopper can't make its approach. Can you stand by until it clears?
Negative. Too dangerous. We're gonna get out of here and find someplace safe.
I'm sorry, I wish I could do more to help.
Don't worry about it. We'll swim home if we have to. Condor 1, out. Let's go.
Okay.
What's gonna happen?
Can I craft any ammunition whilst I'm here? I think I can. Now, do I go shotgun shells or handgun ammo? 35. Gonna go handgun ammo, I think. Don't think I can make anything else. I cannot. Probably worth getting some health though. What does a green and yellow mix? I forget. Okay, let's make one of those. We'll use that. That fills up our health and increases the maximum as well. And we've still got this one here.
Right now. Let's just focus on getting
Okay, there's a merchant behind that
Yeah,
gate.
right.
Fence. I'm guessing that's where we're going first. It's making us take the long way around it. Cool, we're at the merchant. Although I don't think I've got anything to sell him. Shotgun shells, always good because they're free. That feels like it's the way I need to go once I'm done with the merchant, so I'll do that in a sec. Cash and some more ammo. Some more resources to make more ammo. More cash to buy more stuff. Right, let's make some shotgun shells whilst I think of it. Done. How many of those have I got? 13. Cool. Okay, so this gun and my main weapon share the same ammo supply. Good to know. Oh, Leon must be wet. He's shaking himself off. Some more resources.
I have some new goods that might.
You always have some new goods. Nice guys with tentacles. Not only are they dangerous, but they're a pain to kill. They do have a weakness though. They absolutely hate bright lights. Ah, so if you have a flash grenade, that's a good little tip. That.
Interesting.
And there's a typewriter, so we'll visit the merchant and then we'll see.
I've got something new for
What
you.
can I trade? I think I still need. I'm not really worried about the mask.
We like our herbs, we do. Heal a man, kill a man.
Can I sell?
They do it all. Your valuables won't do you much good in the grave.
Not much is what I can sell. I'm going to sell the rifle ammo because I haven't got a rifle.
Pleasure doing business with you.
The wooden planks might come in handy, but cash
Not
is key for me at the minute. I haven't got any treasures, I don't think, that I can attach these gems to make them more valuable. What can I tune up? Or what can I buy? What are you selling? Oh, a riot gun. That sounds like fun. Semi-automatic shotgun.
You'll get some bang for your buck.
Can afford it. I don't have the space in my case though, which is quite annoying. So I'm going to take a furthest aid spray.
Stocking up while you can. Wise choice. If you want a fighting chance out there, you best tune up your kit.
Let's increase
See
the
how
power on that
feels,
one.
mate. A fella like yourself should notice the difference right away.
That's already at max rate of fire. Reload speed would be good. Probably
you
not
are.
can't afford to. Oh, no, I can. Reload speed on the shotgun. Okay, cool.
This kind of work is about pleasant travel.
Okay, I'm now broke again. Let's give it a save. And we'll see what Chapter 6 has in store for us. Still raining. Oh, even Ashley's not happy about it. Whoop, what was that on the wall? Convert the area beyond this point to a defensive position so that no intruders may pass. I'm willing to make any and all sacrifices for the sake of the righteous faith of my devout believers. Build an impregnable fortress and make sure any heathen foolish enough to trespass pays for their wicked sins in blood. This sounds like it's going to be a bit of a slog.
We've got company.
Yeah.
Moving, but quietly. Got it?
Okay. I'll try.
On this day. Sick as they say.
Guess we're doing this.
Well, that lasted.
You're serious. Sorry. Must have slipped.
Give me a warning next time?
Out of the way.
Who keeps throwing petrol bombs? Guessing someone above. I mean, their aim is terrible wherever that is coming from. I'm quite glad their aim's pretty bad, to be fair. Okay, it's in front of me. Is it in front of me? I don't know. It's really hard to tell where that's coming from. Oh, okay, up there. There it is. Oh, bear traps. Okay, she's down. Okay. My new routine of every chapter, forgetting about the bear traps until I tread in one, and then remembering that they are a thing and that I need to avoid them. Sneaky place to hide some things. Hide some things, rather.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, can I... Ooh, that's a lot of resources. What do I need the big ones for? I can't remember. Is it... I think it's bigger... Yeah, submachine guns and rifles, which I don't have. So... I'm going to bin some of this off. Because I need the space for other stuff. Okay, so I can't make any handgun ammo. Gonna tell Ashley just to stay back from me a little bit. Because I don't know what horrors await us in here. Oh, you... That scared the life out of me. Oh. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, nice. Little chest, though. Chalice of Atonement. This has got 3 slots and I have 5 different gems, so we're gonna fill these in. Let's go... Oh, it's only square ones. Alright, I guess I'll put all 3 in then. That's now worth 20 grand. Is it? Ah, it's worth 30 grand. Nice. And they're worth money too, 2.5 grand each. Okay, I can... These have got a tick next to them, meaning I can discard them or sell them. So next merchant, I'm selling those keys because I don't need them. As confirmed by the little tick. I have a feeling I'm going to need that health later on, but I do kind of need it now, so that could possibly be future me's problem. Right, there's some resources. Let's make some more ammo.
Come on.
Okay.
Actually, let's close the gap a little bit. Okay, I can't go that way, so I have to go this way.
Okay, it's all right.
Okay.
Okay, I can use that lantern to burn something if I need to.
Sure is quiet.
Yes, it is quiet. I don't like it. It's too quiet. Something's jumping out at me. I know it. Okay, I need a key for this, but I don't have a key for this, so...
Looks like I need
A
something.
key, Leon, perhaps? Which I'm guessing is going to be in here once I've killed a load of people.
Okay, you good.
No problem.
Bingo.
Stick close.
Okay.
Okay, 61 rounds.
Spread out.
Just telling Ashley to hang back a little bit because I have no idea how many bad guys we're going to come across in here. I'd imagine quite a lot. Okay, there's at least 2. Where's the other one? Okay. I want those shotgun shells, thank you very much. I guess I'm going up those stairs then. I can see a ladder just through there. Can't hear any bad guys though, which for an area this big
Come on.
does surprise me.
Okay.
Okay, green and yellow makes what? I can't remember now. Oh yeah, it increases your maximum health. Cool. 2 healing items, that's nice. Oh, it's not a ladder, it's a storage locker.
Stay here.
What?
Oh, I can tell it to hide.
Okay.
I didn't know that was a mechanic. Yeah, you stay in there, Ashley. That means I haven't got to protect you. Okay. There's another locker here. First aid spray. Ah! Oh, okay.
Great.
2 blind people wielding chainsaws. I need that wrench, or that windy thing.
I am flattered. But I'm a one-lady type of guy.
Here's the tip, when you point your gun at an enemy, make sure it's got ammo in it. Oof. And also pay attention to prompts that are covered in red. That was pretty intense. That's what I need to get through the big gate.
Give me
Oh.
some space.
Got it.
Where'd she come from? I didn't ask her to come out of that locker. Right, where am I supposed to be going? Here, I guess? Looks like it. Now, if I only can remember where here was.
Come on.
Okay.
There it is. Found the handle.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. I guess.
You did well back there. Seems this isn't your first time running from creeps.
I can't tell if that's meant to be a compliment.
Okay, what next? What version of Mary Hell are we going to experience? Okay, guess we actually I'm going to grab that barrel for. Oh, I don't like the fact you can't just walk off the edge. Should be able to for sure. Cash and some gunpowder, always welcome. Gunpowder stacks anyway, so I'm not worried about how much space that takes up. More cash and more gunpowder. This woman's a liability. She's going to get both of us killed, I reckon. Oh, something big's coming. Ammo everywhere. I do like this shooting padlocks to get through doors mechanic. That's quite cool. Can I make... I can't make any more ammo, so I'm going to have to leave that for a bit. I need a small bag of generic resources to make more handgun ammo.
Alright. Come on.
Okay.
Oh. Who is this dude? Boss fight? Oh.
Requires cleansing.
Oh, we can bend metal.
Come.
Oh no.
Ashley, run! Hurry!
I'm just gonna run.
Don't worry about them.
Just gonna run. Just keep swimming. Do like Dory says, just keep swimming.
This way.
Okay, I've hit a cutscene. Oh noes.
I'm stuck.
You need to go.
I still maintain that whilst this is a good game, it's nowhere near as suspenseful as 2 and 3. 2 especially, 2 was terrifying. Being constantly pursued by Mr. X around the police station. I never felt comfortable. Ever. Like, there are times when I just walk out of a door and he'd be stood there. I kind of feel like this is what they're trying to do with this character, but at the same time he's nowhere near as intimidating. Plus Mr. X was enormous, like the guy was a unit.
Listen, you're the one he wants. If we see him again, you run.
Oh, there's a merchant.
What about you?
I'll do my job.
Okay, what did I say I was going to sell? Oh yeah, the keys.
Got some new wares, stranger. Welcome.
Right, let's
I've
do
got
this
something
first.
new for you.
So I can get rid of that, and I can get rid of that, and I can get rid of that.
You're that, thank
I can
you.
get rid of all of those.
A deal
Do I
well
need the way
struck.
shrine key? I think I do. I don't remember seeing that. Having it sit next to it. Right, what can I trade? I've got 3. I think at this point I'd rather save the trade-in stones.
Killing me. Years haven't been kind to us.
I think I'm going to tune up on the shotgun to increase its rate of
If you want
fire.
to fight this kind of work
Up its
is about
power.
finesse, stranger. Little bit goes a
Grab
long
some first
way.
aid.
Stocking up while you can. Wise choice.
Upgrades the size of your attaché case to 8 by 12. I mean,
Why not try your
Sure.
hand at a decent size? But size ain't
no, Mr. Merchant, it ain't everything, but it does help. I'm guessing if I buy a recipe, it means that I can allow you to craft flash grenades using resources L, whatever L is, and gunpowder.
I guarantee. Warden. What can I do? You come back anytime.
I'm still not convinced this is any bigger. But it must be, right? He said it was bigger, so it must be bigger. Right, let's give it a save. And on we go.
Be careful.
Okay, there's a red herb there. Leon just said be careful. I'm guessing you were speaking to Ashley. Okay. Okay. Boss fight. I mean, that bullet basically just bounced off that dude.
Cease your pointless struggling. Abandon your body to the will of our God.
You're a shitty missionary. You know that.
Oh, Almighty, grant me the strength to crush
I wonder if he's like a zealot.
Son of a bitch.
Ashley, run!
Okay.
So she just stands there. Okay, that's what the flammable barrels are for. That's the way to go. Now he's going to walk through the flames. Oh! Oh.
You want to get ugly?
I don't want to get ugly.
Let's get ugly.
Mendez. Okay, that's not good because that's made him closer. Okay, let's get upstairs. Okay, there's an eye on his back. I'm guessing I'm going to need to hit that. Yeah. Okay, I need to be on the ground. No, I need to be up top. Hit the eye, get on the ground. Come on, strike. Oh, we didn't enjoy that. Oh! Dude just ripped himself in half. Phase 2.
Guess your tap dancing days are over.
Leon, you are in no place to make sarcastic comments, dude. Okay, I'm just kind of...
Back at you.
Oof.
Hey! Watch where you're swinging those things.
Quick time events have never been my strong point. Okay, pick up some float barrels so I can shoot them out of your hands. Thank you.
Running out of options, huh?
for the evade prompt, but that didn't turn up. Nice! Trophy, grilled big cheese. And it's a silver one as well. Oh, Sadler, who's that? Well, he was a barrel of laughs, wasn't he? Oh, his eyeball just fell out.
Leon!
She didn't run very far, did she? Oh.
Leon! Quick! This place is coming down!
Mendez's foresight.
Give my regards to your god.
Yeah, that's right, Leon. Mock him. Guess I'm going out the window.
Leon, hurry!
Oh, he's a little bit on fire.
You're welcome.
Thanks. This fire's bound to catch their attention.
Okay. That's a big health restore, that one. Craft some more ammo. I need it after that. That was an expensive exchange.
Leon, I'm not gonna turn into one of them, right?
I won't let that happen. I
I'm
promise.
not sure that's a promise you can keep, Leon. I'm not going to lie, mate. Oh, I recognise this from the game release footage. This bridge is going to collapse after we've crossed it, or the drawbridge will come up. Either one. Wait for it. What's it going to do? Up or down? Told you. I didn't know that was going to happen, but it obviously was going to happen.
Well, at least we don't have to worry about being followed.
Not sure that's such a good thing, you know. Also means we've got nowhere to run. We're now trapped in here. And there we go, guys. So that brings us to the end of another episode. That was part 7 of the RE4 remake. I just want to say a big thanks to everybody out there that is watching and that is interacting with the videos. It's really much appreciated. If you like this video, if you could hit that thumbs up down below and possibly leave some comments. And if you're being really awesome, maybe drop the channel a subscribe as well. Until the next one, this is Mr. No Assists, wishing you all well.